This is Tecno Spark 20, Tecno KJ5. We're going to perform how to set. We're going to perform FRP. This way here, as I'm going to use the shortest distance. Should going to use a quick way. So connect to internet first, as you see here. Connected to internet. First disconnect that one here. First connect to internet. The first we want to connect to internet. First connect to internet. This here. Connect to internet. Connect to internet. And I tell you, this is the easiest way. So come here at user agreement. Let's use agreement. Come here. Go without account. Come here. At share. This button. Use this button here. Open it. Okay. So right. Add one. Bypass, search this word, search this stuff, yeah. Come here to open settings. Settings. After opening settings, come here at special apps. Just follow the video. It's a quick. This is the quickest process. So go back at the main menu. Go back. So come here. What you're going to do here, you're going to disconnect Wi-Fi. Disconnect source, network source. After disconnecting, it is now missing. You see, even the padlock is there. Don't worry. So press next. Next. Skip this step. Use these buttons, press next. So on this point, it's where the trick is. Everything is there. So what you're going to do, you're going to connect back internet. Connect to Wi-Fi back on this point. Connect to Wi-Fi back. Use the other previous Wi-Fi. Just go connect it back. Wait until it connects. It's connected. Use this button here. Google Assistant. It's not working, so this way is not going to work for us. So go back. It is not going back. So let's go on. Go. Come back here. So let's find another way. Succeed. Come here. Type share. I've seen insert this up. It's the beginning. This button here. Or add one as we searched it. Yes, let's just say. We searched it previously. So come here. settings. In settings, you're going to come here at management. I'm going to disable this. And for stop it, go back. Disable this Google Play services. Disable. So go back. Let's first try this and see. Let's try this. You see? Let's go back. Go back. So let's go. Let's go as so there we go. So this button here. Step, so I'm going to reset this button here. This button. So first come here, now this button. Come here. Assistant. Settings, and then there Play Store. Back. This all. Stop this button here. So, this is all. Subscribe.